Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, I was actually editing this vlog and realized I did not do an intro. Well, I did an intro, but it was done like way down. So I cut out the intro part and just do the talking part. You probably see what part I mean, because it was when I got dressed. So yes, just wanna do the intro so it goes at the front and then get into the vlog, because when I started the vlog I did not do an intro. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I will link some. I haven't been linking my videos, so we'll be linking some videos that you guys can watch, like similar vlogs. So yes, go ahead guys and enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys at the end of the vlog. Hi. This?
Come down.
This? What you picking? Huh? Let's see. Cheekies.
Did you tell them they are layers? They always thirsty. You need to find them buckle.
Dad. Anyways, gonna look at the piggies now. Hi. You're on camera.
Nah, low them to drink. That's why it's so possible.
I'm craving some. No. Look at my foot. Okay. Walk. Ain't going there every day. I know that you. Taught me to for slow. What you gonna do? Chicken. Yay. Where am I go to? Eh? Nobody go near the water, did you,
Don't go near the water.
Water dirty. What?
Stop screaming at them.
Come, just put in here and let you chicken them to me the place. The stress. Mangoes.
Caramel sauce, how? The chef,
You know? Yeah.
Yes.
Porridge from mommy. Good morning. Morning, Jan. Morning, Jan. Good morning, food.
No.
Hi guys. So yes guys, it is Saturday and I'm going into, well, we'll be going into Kellits to like do some shopping, grocery shopping. So just wanted to bring you guys along, just a shopping kind of vlog. I think this morning you guys you guys saw that I was over there, the bush part at the house and whatever. I was just showing you guys the pigs and the chickens. So yeah, this is a yardie country kind of vlog. We're going into the townish kind of place. It's the nearest town to where I live. So yes, that's where we're going right now. So yes guys, just bringing you guys along. If you have not yet watched my previous videos, I will have it linked in the description down below. So yes, go ahead and subscribe guys, and I'll see you in the rest of the video. What is it? You better hold it. Stop that. This one. went to see the doctor. So we're stopped out in the car. My gosh, look my mouth. What is that?
That is a scary mouth.
Eat your food. Eat your food. Anyways, so it's guys. It is raining. Actually cool down now. As we're reaching the car, it cool down. Isn't that truth? Auntie Shanique. Hi. How you doing? Okay. You can say what to the girl. Anyways, guys, I was trying to edit in the meantime, but Miss One lightning flash, so I don't know why I still have the phone in my hand. Ooh, Miss One like this, but you just put on the phone. I might just continue to vlog and do, you know. Yeah. Anyways, so that's that. When we go down, I'm hungry, so when we go down, I might find something to eat. I just ate a snack. I ate this snack a while ago. I took out some of Janice's snack because she you don't like to eat the one snack. But no one see
It just make me look away.
This is the one who I like. I don't like. I like my mother, but I don't like. I like Auntie Shanique and my mother. Just like that.
no one thinks it. I'm a bag
Bag of chips.
We're copying people.
Why? Big up the man drop.
Anyways, all the most hot now, I'm sure to you.
No. She's the cutest, yeah.
Give her some ketchup. It's not as hot as the first one, but alright guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, I'm in the same thing from the intro because as I said, forgot to film the intro and I also did not film an outro for the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. Like this video, share this video, comment something down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.